Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClendon, and today I'm going to give you guys an economic news update, market update, guys. So let's start off strong with crude oil, guys. Is at $69.69. It has been downtrending from those expensive highs of 115, 120, and we possibly might be going down a little bit lower, but we might be trending back up to go higher, just making like a short-term pullback. We'll see how that goes when it comes to crude oil, guys, but I'm up giving you guys an update. When it comes to gas prices in the United States, there's a national average of $3.57. Now, there are some red zones, like in California, where they're up to almost $4.85. Some of the states over here down to $3.05. So, check out some good prices. Maybe you guys can avoid, paying expensive prices at the pump. And let's see. If you guys want to look at some other national averages, you guys can check this out. But this is basically gas prices or AAA.com. You can look at some good ways to basically save money on gas. And if you guys did not know, we had a new high when it came to gold. Gold hit a high of, let's see, $2,048.84. I've been talking about precious metals, guys, on this channel for many years now, talking about all down here and all up here. So if you guys are buying it, you're probably up by a lot. But once again, guys, it's not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing and give you guys some updated news. For me, I'm buying precious metals on a weekly or monthly basis. Now let's get into some silver. Now silver didn't do the exact same thing as the highs, guys, but it did do pretty good overall. Now if you guys are looking at buying silver, it's basically XAGUSD. Now, you guys looking at XAGUSD, you guys can find this. Basically, it's kind of like spot gold and silver. Let me see. And it's been doing pretty good. Like I remember when gold and when silver was in the up here, but it's been trending pretty good. Went down to 18, been pulling up really high. So I think this is a strong trend. Maybe we'll see silver back into the 30s in the next few months. But just giving you guys update about that. Let's move on to some BRICS nations. Now, if you guys not been hearing that many countries are tossing and ditching the dollar. Now, if you guys want to learn more about that, check out this BRICS article. I'll have it in the description box below. And while you guys are down there, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a comment, and learn more about what's happening with the world economy and how many countries are basically leaving the dollar. Now, it's going to take some time. Well, yes, and there are most transactions resulting in dollars now, currently, but that might not be lasting forever. There's another article that talks about the BRICS nations, the BRICS countries forming their own currency, okay? Understanding how they're going to be doing, how they're trying to bypass the dollar. But also, guys, if you want to check out some news, I've been posting pretty much on a daily basis on my community page. And please check it out, guys. Drop a comment there. If you guys like it or dislike it, just let me know. And also, guys, give me some feedback about the channel. If you like how the direction is going, just let me know. You guys like my live stuff, music and stuff, but just tell me basically what you guys' thoughts are. Besides that, guys, here's some stuff from my website. Check out my economy stuff. Check out the business pages if you guys are looking for my services. If you guys want to learn more, check out the education's all free, guys, so especially for the MQL4, MQL5 stuff. I haven't posted any MQL5 yet, but I will. But basically, all the EA stuff I've been posting is on here. But besides that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. And, guys, I'll see you in the comment section. See you next video.